Pie down.
Alright, I ordered this yesterday and it showed up by 10 o'clock this morning. So I'm very impressed by the shipping, that's for sure. Part of their deal in buying this was free super fast shipping, so let's unbox it and see what we got. So we'll start off with the bag and manual. And box here. So in the box we got USB-C to USB-C, and then we got USB-C, USB-C for the new motion tracking, the new clip, and the motion capture or motion tracking. And that attaches magnetically right there. Very nice. Alright, let's take a look inside the bag here. The bag is gonna go away pretty quickly here. So here we are. This is the new Osmo Mobile 7P. Move the box out of the way here. So activate. Ding. Just flips right up. You can line this up with your phone. Ta-da. And it's already getting power to the motion tracker. It's waiting for a Bluetooth connection. So we'll get this all set up in a different video, but just wanted to show this off real quick. It's got the tripod base. Got the screw mount, the dial, joystick, all the functionality. Looks really nice. Trigger. So yeah, we're gonna get this configured and set up in a different video, but just wanted to show you the unboxing.
Pie down.